So, I expect full cooperation and for the full extent of their capacity na magtulungan nila ang PNP na hanapin yung 20 suspects na kasama dito. We have 17 names, 3 remain John Does and 1 victim yung namatay. Okay. So we expect again full cooperation and to the full extent of their organization na tutulungan ng PNP. Huwag nyo nang hintayin ng PNP yung makahanap sa inyo. It might get worse. Okay. Parang EJK dito Okay. Pero mas maganda na i-surrender nila kaysa habulin namin in pursuit.
Gusto na lang, ma'am.
Felix Martin Dala, number 4. John Ray Torrecampo, number 5. John Lee Tuliao, number 6. John Vincent Malipot, number 7. Neil Nicolas Rapatan, number 8. John Michael Hagonoy, number 9. Mark Kenneth Gonzaga Alcelo, Leo 5. Number 10, Dar Sabilona. Number 11, Sidan Manglanlan. Number 12, talaga lang dito alias Mark. Number 13, Gabriel Vergara. Number 14, Kurt De La Cruz. Number 15, alias Kenneth Ompod o alias Pinral. Number 16, Jedrick Solomon Bornea, Neophyte. Number 17, Jose Marce Garcia, Neophyte. Okay, we urge them to turn themselves over as soon as possible, and we urge the Tau Gamma Phi fraternity to help us into turning them over.